Okay, we want to evaluate this expression for x is equal to 3. So let's distribute this. You get 4x squared minus 2x, 3x squared plus 3x plus x squared minus x. Those are like terms of x squared. So you have 4 minus 3 plus 1 is 2x squared. Okay, and then those are like terms. That's minus 2 plus 3 minus 1. So that's 0, right? 0x. So it simplifies to 2x squared. Now plug in 3. So it's 18. The answer to part A. This is the answer to part B.